Diary, Mom told me that I need to go to my grandmother's house after the makeup incident. Well,
look what we did, Mom!
I apparently need some fresh air and a change of scenery. When I got there, well, it was nothing like I remembered. Another thing that I noticed was that there were no toys. How can a boy survive in a house without toys? I'm doomed. Dear Diary, today I was bored. Still bored? Guess what? I'm bored. Finally, something happened today. I found a room I hadn't explored yet. It led to a really long staircase. I found a secret attic room. It was pretty snazzy. I'm hungry. Wonder if there's something to eat. Whoa! I found a claw in the fridge. Well, at least I think that's what it was. I went downstairs to go ask Archie. Archie. Wake up.
It's dinner time already?
Do you know what this is?
This looks like a seagull claw.
A seagull claw?
Yeah. Legend has it you can make 3 wishes on it. And no, you cannot wish for infinite wishes.
Looks kind of fake, but let's taste it at the lake today. When we got to the lake, I decided to test the claw's ability to see if it was real. I had my doubts. Okay, let's see if this thing works.
Be careful what you wish for. Some of the wishes in the monkey's paw got really messed up.
Let's wish for the truck that always brings us ice cream. I wish for the truck with the music to come now. Italian ice? I wanted ice cream! I was foiled by a seagull claw. Afterward, Archie said that I started acting weird.
Hey, Zach, can I borrow a pillow?
Mine.
Whatever.
Okay, let's wish for treasure. I wish fire treasure will be under that stick. Whoa, it's real gold. With pirates on it. Plastic coins! Are you kidding me? Oh, not again, you stupid! The claw got the better of me again. I went back to the house for lunch. Mine.
I don't think you should use those last 2 wishes.
Squawk! I already used another.
What? What'd you wish for?
I wished for pirate treasure, but all I got was stupid plastic cones.
As you make more and more wishes, you're turning more and more into a seagull. I don't think that's healthy.
What? And what should I do with it then?
I think we should bury it at the beach tomorrow to get rid of it once and for all.
It seemed as good a plan as any. I didn't really have a choice. Dear Diary, the next day I buried the seagull claw deep in the sand. Good riddance. I left the beach knowing that I was not under its spell, nor would anyone else be.
Hey, look what I found!